Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Betron A3 wireless speaker. Before we begin, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe, as we are trying to hit 1000 subscribers. Taking a look at the box, you can see that it has some specifications listed on the back, which state that this is a 3-watt speaker, has Bluetooth 4.1, has a range of 120 Hz to 20 kHz, and has a battery of 500 mAh, which is more than enough for a 3-watt speaker. Opening the box, you find the speaker inside a divider, and underneath you find an aux cable and a micro USB cable, as well as a manual and VIP card. The VIP card has a link where you can register the product, and you can also get extended warranty by registering. The manual contains a few more features that the speaker has and shows you how it works, although it does have a few spelling mistakes. Taking a look at the aux cable, you can see that it is a standard 3.5mm jack, and the micro USB is also standard. The speaker is covered in a plastic wrap, and it is fully made out of metal except for the top and bottom part. It has skip track buttons, a play pause button, and also a power button, which are all nice and tactile. It also has an LED for indicating the state, a micro SD card slot, and obviously a micro USB slot for charging. It also includes the 3.5mm jack slot. On the bottom you find a sticker stating the model number and input power needed for charging, and on the top you find a metal grill covering the speaker unit. To connect the speaker to your device, all you need to do is switch it on and find it from the Bluetooth section. Once that is done, it will pair and connect to the speaker. Although it is an easy process, it did take me a few tries to connect to it for some reason. Once you connect to it, it makes a beep noise to indicate it connecting. Now this is a short sound test for you to hear how it sounds. It will not blow you away, but keep in mind the price, which is very reasonable for the sound quality. This is a huge step up from your phone speaker and is definitely worth it if you're on a budget. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox, and I'm out. Peace.